Mary, the manager wants a team activity tonight after the dinner service.
Okay, what kind of activity?
He wants karaoke in the restaurant for the staff.
Karaoke? Here? Nobody asked for that.
I know, but he already bought a microphone.
Oh no. Can we say no?
Not really. He is very excited.
Okay, who sings first?
He wants the whole team to sing together, one big group song.
That is not a good idea. The kitchen staff will not like this.
I agree. Maybe we can talk to him, ask for something smaller.
Yes, let's suggest a short game instead. Something fast and fun.
Good idea. Less noise, less stress.
And nobody has to sing alone. That's important.
I'll talk to him now, before service ends.
Perfect. Tell him the team prefers something more comfortable.
Right. Karaoke is fun outside. Inside a restaurant kitchen, not so much.
Exactly. Let's save the singing for another day.
Agreed. Maybe never.
Yes, maybe never.